Learn about the many benefits of using credit cards in this video. We will explore how credit cards can be used for convenience, security, rewards, and more. We will also discuss how to use credit cards responsibly to build a good credit score. Don't miss out on this chance to learn about the advantages of credit cards. Hello everyone, my name is Earl Charles and welcome to this video on the advantages of credit cards. We will explore the many benefits of using credit cards, such as convenience, security, rewards, and more. What is a credit card? Before we dive into the advantages of credit cards, let's take a minute to refresh our understanding of what credit cards are and how they work. A credit card is a plastic card issued by a bank or financial institution that allows you to borrow money for purchases. When you use a credit card, you are borrowing money from the credit card issuer and agreeing to pay it back with interest. Credit cards have a set credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow. Convenience. One of the main advantages of using a credit card is convenience. Credit cards are accepted in a wide variety of places and can be used to make purchases online or in person. You don't have to carry cash, and you don't have to worry about running out of money. Credit cards also allow you to track your spending, which can help you stay on budget and keep track of your finances. Security. Another advantage of credit cards is the added security they provide. When you use a credit card, your purchase is protected against fraud and theft. Credit card issuers offer fraud protection services that monitor your account for suspicious activity and alert you if something looks fishy. Additionally, if your credit card is stolen or lost, you can easily cancel it and get a new one. Rewards. Many credit card issuers offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points, cash back, and other benefits when you use your card. These rewards can be used for everything from travel to groceries, and can be a great way to save money. Additionally, some credit cards offer special perks such as extended warranties, discounts, and more. Building credit. Using a credit card responsibly can help you build a good credit score, which can open the door to better interest rates and more favorable terms on loans and other financial products. By making your payments on time and keeping your balance low, you can build a good credit history and increase your credit score. International use. If you travel abroad, credit cards can be a convenient way to make purchases. Many cards are accepted around the world, and you don't have to worry about exchanging currency or finding an ATM. Additionally, many credit cards offer special benefits for international travel, such as travel insurance, foreign transaction fees waivers, and emergency cash services. Conclusion. In conclusion, credit cards offer a wide range of benefits, from convenience and security to rewards and building credit. By using a credit card responsibly, you can make the most of these advantages and enjoy the benefits of using a credit card. Thank you for watching this video on the advantages of credit cards. We hope you found this video helpful. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.